It's Dan Random here. What I have for you today is the Soundpeats version of the Air 5 Pro. The Air 5 Pro are a noise cancellation version by Soundpeats. Soundpeats have been around for quite a long time. One thing I like about the Soundpeat brand is that they've been consistent as far as the fit, as far as the haptic or the touch sensitivity for them. So one of the big problems that I've had in the past with any headphones have been the fact that you can't count on the touch mechanism. So you'll either touch it and it, unintentionally, and the touch sensitivity is either too strong. So you just tap into something and then it shuts off something or shuts a phone call off. These are boasting high resolution sound. So that's a consistent sound, a sound that is immersive, instead of something that sounds like you're inside of a box. These have 10 millimeter dynamic drivers and a 37-hour playtime. So these things are gonna go for a long time. So you get the Soundpeats Air 5 Pros, and you get them for a couple of different reasons. One is high-res audio. So these things have what they call Snapdragon Sound, which is powered by Qualcomm. These things have lag-free, lossless sound, adaptive noise cancellation that can cut noise by up to 55 decibels. And what that does is that gives us just a little bit better focus when we're listening to our audio. 10 millimeter composite biodiaphragm drivers. So these things are built really nice. I mean, just check those out. Look at the build quality. Enhanced call clarity. 7.5 hours of playtime, 37 hours in the case. And it takes about 10 minutes to charge these. They're sleek, ergonomic, they're ultra light, as good as any product on the market, and they're designed for all-day wear without fatigue. These support Bluetooth 5.4 and multiport and IPX5. Dual device connection, low power, water resistant. So these are water resistant, they're not waterproof. So yeah, you could work these with your daily workout. They include an all-in-one app control where you can fine-tune the sound and track your earbuds anytime. So these things have an integrated EQ system as well. So what is lossless audio? Well, lossless audio means that it preserves every detail of original recordings, delivering basically wired level sound quality over a Bluetooth connection. And that's really been one of the issues with Bluetooth, is just keeping that quality high-res pitch somewhere in the means of 96 kilohertz at 24 bits, where CD quality sound is at 44 kilohertz and 16-bit. So much more high quality, more sound, more like immersive, better quality sound is going to come through these for your listening pleasure. I've been rocking Soundpeats for probably 8 years now. Snapdragon basically means you get incredibly clear and detailed audio, whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or watching a movie. All right, so you're gonna use the Soundpeats app. You'll just load it from the iOS library and connect up your Soundpeats to your phone using the Bluetooth connection, and you'll get all of this information. And you'll see that noise cancellation, normal mode, and transparency mode. So they call it pass-through, but this is transparency. So I'm wearing the Soundpeats right now and I can hear myself really good. And once I go to noise cancellation, it's hard for me to hear my own voice. So, and you can change the level. You can go adaptive noise, indoor noise, only outdoor noise, and then traffic modes. So those are pretty cool. Those are different modes set up. We're going to leave it on adaptive, so that'll give it the most chance. And then you've got your normal mode. So I turned it to normal mode, and now I can hear my voice echo. And when I go to transparency, it's like somebody opens the window. I can now hear my own voice speak. You have a graphic equalizer, so we have an adaptive one, so I'd have to log in for that. But custom sound, and those. So this is the different EQ, and we've got a bunch of presets. So we've got book whisper, rock and roll, folk, classic, popular, electronic, treble enhancement, bass reduction, bass boost, and then classic. So those are our different modes. Most of us like to hang out in the rock and roll genre, so we usually leave it there. To customize this, you have to be logged in. So when you're looking for headphones, you've got a lot of choices. I mean, look at all these different headphones. I mean, I've got headphones that I bought for different reasons, but the Soundpeats are the type of headphone that you are going to look for that quality sound. The Soundpeat Air 5 Pros are your noise-canceling smart headphones with advanced features that are going to give you the best quality sound, probably better than a lot of alternatives that you can find, and with a much better price point. These things are going to fit you, they're going to be durable, and they're going to basically make the sounds that you like, whether it be a podcast, whether you listen to R&B, rock and roll, whatever you choose to do, whether you're flying, biking, swimming, working out. The Soundpeats are going to basically cover your entire spectrum of use cases. So, all right, so try them out. These things are nice, they're ergonomic, they have a really competitive price point, and there's really no reason to not try these out. They're just that good. I really think that you'll hear the difference when it comes to Soundpeats. You will definitely hear the difference. All right. Dad Random for Soundpeats. Yes.